Good morning, class 11th, and welcome to class 11th. After passing your class 12th, I would be taking your sections of class C and D. And few things you have to remember. First, you have to remember the rules and the regulations for protecting ourselves from COVID 19. Second, we have to strictly follow and sanitize our hands nearby places, and we have to maintain social distancing. It is very important, as you are aware from the various sources. One of them is news, as the broadcasting is there, that we are talking about waves, and the third wave is related to child, as they are saying. So it is very important to protect ourselves. All these things are related to physical education also. We will go through it in a various stages related to diet and nutrition, how we can increase our resistance power, and many more. Third is that I would like to share you that this information, the question paper of physical education is divided in two parts. First is your theory, and second is your practical part. Theory part from 70 marks, and practical part 30 marks. So it is very important to participate, or practicals are very important in physical education, as you know, and you had seen in school that what type of practicals we are taking. Try to take one of the game, one of the best game during normal days in school. We are glad to teach you various types of games, and we are always there to help you. But during these situations, now it's your initiative to take more. At least try to learn, play one game. It will help you. It will help you only. So there are 12 chapters in physical education, and in these 12 chapters there are reduce of 30% of syllabus also. In time to time before exams, I will tell you all those things, and I will share you a message also along with your class teacher. It is very important to attend all the Zoom meetings, do your work, whatever the work it is given, submit it. As long as you will submit, your attendance will be there. First chapter we had already discussed in Zoom class, changing trend career in physical education. First chapter we had discussed in Zoom meeting. First chapter is changing trend and career in physical education. Changing trends, I had already explained you the meaning of changing. The physical education, the concept is changing, and what are the career opportunities in education. For example, to become a physical education teacher, you have to obtain a degree or diploma. That is one of the career in physical education. First chapter we are going to study about. In this, we will learn meaning and definition of physical education. What we will learn? Meaning and definition of meaning and definition of physical education. Meaning and definition of physical education. All these are in your book. I can understand that nowadays you don't have book, but arrange it as soon as possible. Meaning and definition of physical education. According to H.C. Buck, what is physical education? Physical education is the part of general education program. What is physical education? Physical education is a part of general physical education that deals with that deals with that deals with which is considered with growth, development and education of child through medium of big muscles activities. What are big muscles activities? Big muscles activities are the activities while taking part in sports and games. You are involving your upper limbs and lower limbs. Suppose, for example, you are taking part in athletics and you are taking part in 100-meter dash. So, you are using your lower limbs. In that lower limbs, you are taking the help of big muscles to complete that activity. It is the education of whole child by the means of physical activity. By the means of physical activity. Physical activities, what you understand, physical activities can be many things. For example, riding a bicycle, coming to school by foot, all these things are physical activities. They are also selected and conducted as to influence every child life physically, mentally, emotionally, and morally. Physically, mentally, emotionally, and morally. All these are affected by through physical education. Mentally, emotionally, in later subject, we will try to understand what is emotionally balanced, and morally, how you develop your habits. Emotionally and morally, we develop ourselves through physical education. Children, now you will come to know when you were up to class 10, in class 6, 7th, 8th, when we say about physical education, when we think about physical education, we generally think about games. We will play football, we will play cricket. Generally, we think about these things. Now you are having a particular subject of physical education. In this subject, you will come to know about many things, how physical activities, physical education is directly related to overall development of a child. And physical education is very important for mental development and social development of an individual. Let's see what Central Board of Physical Education and Recreation is saying. There is one more definitions. There are 10 or 12 definitions in a book, but I would like to prefer two of them. One is H.C. Buck and second is according to Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation. Physical education is the education through physical activities for development of total personality of a child. In total personality of child, what are the certain things? For a few seconds, you can recall or remember in your mind what are the certain things that helps the total development of a child. That means the overall development in every aspects of a life, whether it is mentally, physically we are doing, because although we are related to physical activities, mentally, socially, emotionally, and even our morally, we are developing in physical education. Aim and objective of physical education. What is the aim of physical education? Aim of physical education is the wholesome development of an individual through physical education. So this is the aim of physical education. Now, what are the objectives? The main objective of physical education are physical development. In Zoom class, I had already explained you about physical development. Objective of physical education in physical development leads to development of our organs such as circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, and muscular system. That is all physical development. Now we have mental development. Mental development. The various physical activities of physical education programs needs alertness of mind, deep concentration, and calculated movements. Calculated movements while playing different types of games. We need concentration while doing various physical activities and alertness while playing. So that is mental development. Social development. The objectives is related to development of social traits. What are social traits and what it helps in development of social relation, like qualities like cooperation, courtesy, fair play, sportsmanship. These are the social development in physical education. Tolerance and sympathy. So these are all under social development. These are the main objectives of physical education. It is very important in physical education because with the help of physical education, all these developments are there. Neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular coordination. In various games, we see the coordination between various game situations. Our neuromuscular coordination is developed, helps to keep off fatigue during various physical activities. Emotional development. Emotional development. I was telling you about emotional development. And what are emotions? What are emotions? Every individual has various types of emotions like pleasure, hope, joy, hate, fear, distress, anger, wonder. These are emotions. What are these? These are emotions. Emotions are vital for every individual, but excess emotions of these always leads to a very bad ending. So that's why it is very very important to have, or physical education play a very important role in emotional development. Development of health development of health the development of health is also an objective of physical education. Development of health, as you can see, we all nowadays is are at home, and with the development of health, the program of physical education in modern age, what it help us, in how it help us to reduce tension, anxiety, stress, stress and tension in very large amount or very large extent. Development of health through physical education is very very important, so that the individuals experience healthy living. In these objectives of physical education, we had came to know about many things, and how physical education or the aims and objectives of physical education is directly related to ourselves.